Party people in the house, my name is Ferdy, and in this video I want to talk about the best Black Friday deals that are WordPress related. Two practical things. The first one is not really practical, but I do get a commission when you buy something through my affiliate link, so thank you for that. You don't pay more. And the second thing, when I promote something, it's something I really like. I don't promote things I do not like. And when I promote something, I always want to have tutorials about it. So that's the case if you would go to ferdy.com, that happens to be my website, and you click on the search icon and I promote something. You can search for BuddyBoss, for instance, hit enter. I should have a thumbnail over here and I should change this text, but if you click over here, you can see a tutorial on how to work with BuddyBoss. So that's how I roll. I have 4 categories for you. The first one is web hosting. The second one is page builders or website builders. The third one is plugins, additions to your website. And the fourth one is email marketing. So let's get started. When you want to make use of all these tools, you need to have a website and a domain. And that's why I started with web hosting. If you would go to ferdy.com/hostinger, there's a Black Friday deal for hostinger. Up to 85%. So you can click on claim the deal. There are 3 plans. I suggest you skip the premium plan that is with SSD storage. Still fast, but if you want to go for the really fast websites, then I would go with NVMe storage. You get 200 GB of NVMe storage. You can create up to 100 websites. Man, and you pay $2.95 if you click on choose the plan and you click over here at have a coupon and you click type in Ferdy. You get an extra discount. Well, when does this discount apply? When you go for 48 months. That is 4 years. 4 years of web hosting for just $2.65 per month. That's a crazy deal. You pay $127 at once. And then in the rest of the 4 years, you can have up to 100 websites in your account. You can also go with 12 months. But then there is less discount for you. You pay $3.10 per month. And then you pay $37.26. So when you want to create your first website and get a free domain name, this is the best deal for you. Let's go to the page builders. The first one is ferdy.com/CrocoBlock and you get up to 40% off. So if you click on get CrocoBlock, if you would go for one website, for one project, normally you would pay $199 per year. For all the amazing tools you have over here, you can create really advanced websites using CrocoBlock. And you can use CrocoBlock on the WordPress editor, on Elementor and on Bricks. You can also go for unlimited projects and then you pay $2.59 per year instead of $399. The best plan is to go this lifetime for unlimited projects. You pay a one-time fee of $699. This is, in my opinion, the best Black Friday deal there is. And if I could choose only one tool to create websites, it will be the CrocoBlock lifetime version for $699, and then you can use it for the rest of your life. What kind of websites can you create with this? Well, if you go to solutions, you can create booking websites. People can hire cars. You can create a barbershop website. And the great thing is everything you see over here is also a website that you can import in a few clicks. So everything they've created for you, as an example, can also be imported in your website. So if you have a client that wants to have a barbershop website, you can import the barbershop demo website, adjust it, and save yourself a lot of time. So that's CrocoBlock. Then we have Blocksy Pro. If you go to ferdy.com/Blocksy, Blocksy is my favorite free theme. It has a lot of pro features, but you can also take it to the next level by going for the pro version. So if I click on buy now, let's take a look at lifetime. There will be a discount. Right now it's not there yet, but it will be there really soon, I think within 4 days. And if you go for the agency plan, also lifetime, you can use it on unlimited websites, lifetime updates, lifetime supports. So this is also a great tool. I have a tutorial about Blocksy Pro. Again, you can go to ferdy.com and search for Blocksy Pro. If you scroll down a bit, you will see the Blocksy Pro theme tutorial. Okay, let's go to another tool. If you go to ferdy.com/ZipWP, here you can create websites using AI. You just fill in a prompt. I have a tutorial about it and they will create a website from you. You can adjust it and save yourself a lot of time. So if you go to pricing, then we have ferdy.com Divi. Divi is a page builder that can be used on unlimited websites when you pay per year or when you go for the lifetime deal. Look at there, the Black Friday sale is coming in 4 days. So in 4 days, it will be there. If you mark it, what I know is you get a lot of free things when you buy things and get a lot of discount. And of course, I have tutorials about the Divi Builder. And of course, we have ferdy.com/Elementor. The Black Friday deal is not active yet. If you would go to products or pricing And then the page builder plugin, that's my favorite tool within Elementor. One of my favorite page builders. Actually, it is my favorite page builder. There was an amazing page builder with Joomla. That was my favorite, but I don't use Joomla anymore. No, I'm kidding. Elementor is my favorite page builder. I said it. Cancel me, whatever you want. No, just kidding. Next year, I will also dive deeper into bricks and the WordPress editor. So that's some information I just give you for free. Let's go to the next one. Let's talk about the plugins. So if I would go to ferdy.com/learn- hit enter. This is a website plugin, WordPress plugin that can make your website turn into a course website so you can sell your courses, your knowledge. I have an in-depth recent tutorial about it. I really love this. Man, this is a great way to share your knowledge and at the same time make a lot of money. If you click on Get LearnDash, it is not active yet, but there will be some amazing discounts. I would go for LearnDash LMS and follow my tutorial so you can see exactly how you can apply this. Right now it's $199 per year per website, but there will be a discount in a few days. The second plugin, I'm making a new tutorial about it as we speak, ferdy.com/BuddyBoss. I really like this. You can turn your website into a community website like Facebook. If you click on Buy Now, I would use it for one website. The great thing is they all have the same things over here. So the only difference is for the amount of websites. So if you want to create only one website, then I should go with this plan. Right now, $299 per year, but there will be a Black Friday deal that will give you discount. And soon, within 2 weeks, I will upload this tutorial. My sister is editing it right now and it's gonna be amazing. I'm really excited about this tutorial. And then the third plugin is ferdy.com/CodeSnippets. This can help you to not make use of a lot of plugins, but use code snippets instead. Some plugins are actually a line of code and there's a lot of things built around it because it's a plugin. If you use it as a code snippet, you only sometimes need a few lines of code, which will keep your website faster. And it has a really nice overview of all the features you use. So no plugins, but code snippets. And you can turn them off, you can turn them on. I have a tutorial about it. And here's the pricing. There's a free version. And if you want to make use of all the features, you can go for the pro version. If you would go for lifetime. If there's a lifetime deal, I would always go for lifetime. Sometimes lifetime deals are not there anymore. They were there. So if you see lifetime, go for it before they turn them off. So what do you want? Do you want it on one website, 10, 100 or unlimited? Well, that's up to you. I think 10 websites will be enough. Then you have 100 AI prompts per month. I would go for this plan. And right now there's Black Friday sale, $170, not per year, but for lifetime. If you get this one, man, I use it on all my websites these days because it can make my website faster. I can just turn on, turn off all those snippets. And the great thing is that the code snippets community is growing. They're providing more and more codes. So instead of using plugins for everything, I start to use more code snippets. Really great tool. And that brings me to the latest one. Let's go to ferdy.com/Omnisend. This is an email marketing tool. I personally, right now, use ConvertKit. It's called Kit now, kit.com. Okay, that's funny. And what I will do, I will transfer everything to Omnisend. You can send emails, you can send text messages, you can send push notifications. Yeah, I really like it. And right now there's a Black Friday deal going on. 30% off for the first 3 months. You can get started for free. You can do a lot of things in the free version. And I'll also talk about the pro version in my tutorials. So if you want to get started with the pro version, right now is a great time because there's Black Friday. You can get started for free. If you would go to pricing, you can see how many contacts you have. If you get started 0 to 250, and then you see what it costs per month. So I have this. So for me, that will be $550 per month. But for the first 3 months, I would get 30% discount. So those are my Black Friday deals. I've taken a look at all the tutorials I've created this year and used those in my tutorial about my video about Black Friday. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have any question, let me know. If you want me to create a certain tutorial, let me know. And then I wish you the best of luck in everything you do. Bye-bye.